Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 26, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 26, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, August 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 26, 2024, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, August 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 26, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.